Have you ever seen the Niagara Falls of India? This stunning natural wonder features massive waterfalls. They are approximately 100 feet high and 1000 feet wide, changing colors with every season. Its unique horseshoe shape has earned it the name Niagara Falls. Presenting Chitrakoot Falls from Chhattisgarh on Indravathi River, originated from Kalahandi district of Odisha in the Vindhya ranges of hills, flows westward and then forms a fall in Chitrakoot, after which it finally flows into Godavari River at Bhadrakali. It's located in west of Jagdalpur, Bastar. Yes, you heard it right. We are traveling to a Naxal-hit area, Dantewada, a small town, 90 kilometers from Bastar towards southwest. It's always been on news due to Naxal attacks. Few months back only there was an encounter between law enforcement like CRPF and Naxals. Most people from South Chhattisgarh says the Naxal never troubles common people. Although we are afraid, but visiting such a scenic place inspires us to visit. During rain, the waterfall will be at its fullest. The waterfall is at the lowest during summers. We started our journey from Durg at 4 in the morning. The total distance is 274 kilometers with an estimated travel time of 6 hours. After breakfast and few coffee breaks, we hope to reach by 10. We'll be traveling in NH30, passing through Dhamtari, Kanker and then Bastar. The roads are good until Kanker, but for the next 30 to 40 kilometers, they are under construction. There are few hairpin bends at Keshkal Valley along a 10 to 15 kilometer stretch, which might cause some delay. The route is densely covered with forest and saw few wild animals along the route. We had already crossed the point by the time we took out the camera. At an altitude of around 600 meters above sea level, we must drive very cautiously due to the sharp hairpin turns along the route to avoid falling into the valley below. Monkeys, a lot of them. I guess they are waiting for travelers to get some food. Look how silently they are sitting along the road. We reached Chitrakoot around 1 pm. We took a diversion from NH30 near Bhuanpuri. From there, waterfall is around 30 minutes away. The route was very scenic and enjoyable. They also have a parking place near fall where we paid rupees 50. Ample amount of parking space was available. After parking, we took a walk. Stalls like snacks, food, and traditional arts were available along the road. You can purchase them in nominal rates. It's so beautiful, elegant, looking like a wow. You can see rainbows near fall. Not sure how much it is visible on camera. Even after rainy season, still plenty of water and are clean. They have also barricaded near fall to avoid people getting in danger. Even in the afternoon, the cool breeze due to the water droplets from waterfall help us beat the scorching heat. As you can see, this there are only a few visitors here because it's weekday. For your information, waterfall in Hindi is called Jharna. We stayed there for some time, then we went for nature trail along the waterfall. These are man-made structures, stones carved into roots along waterfall. The path was lined with lush vegetations, including a variety of fauna, shrubs, and other plants. You can go still bottom of the river and can take a boat ride. But our bad luck, no one was available today for boat ride. Boat rides are mostly available during summer when the force of water is less. I suggest you can take them and enjoy. As far as I know, they charge rupees 1000 plus for single trip. They also have cottages to stay, governed by Chhattisgarh Tourism, but were in limited numbers. Most of them are designed in such a way that you can view the waterfall from inside these stays, and the budget is around 10,000 plus per day. It's very costly. If you have the budget, go for it. From here, waterfall and nature trails are easily accessible. We stayed for a while, explored near the places, had our lunch. Food was good. These are natural dhoop took from black tamar or black dhoop tree. When burned, they releases fragrance and create peaceful environment around. Did some window shopping along the way. It was almost 2 p.m. after exploring Chitrakoot. We'll end up the trail here. Do like and subscribe to my channel. It will be free, but for us it will be a motivation. Do visit Chitrakoot and let me know the feel in comments and suggestion.